Can you hear that, Elga?
Mm-hmm.
It's not annoying, is it?
It's a little annoying.
What?
It's a little annoying.
We just need to talk so that you can tell the actual sound compared to the voice. So, and then we open the fridge. It is not a fire hazard. Yeah, but it's annoying. So I can walk down here. I can still hear it. It's louder at night time when you're trying to sleep. Oh, now my... Oh. I can hear it in here. We've got some background noise going on, but I can hear it. And I can actually... I'm going to pause this. Got the window open, cars going by, I can hear this, but at night time it is quite loud, and all you hear is bang, 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 bang when you put your head on the pillow and try and sleep. So, yeah, I can hear that. Yep. I can hear that in my eardrums. Kind of sounds like a generator, but it's a fridge.